Okay, universe. Be nice today.
Patingin mo.
In every pursuit, a new fortune is waiting.
Wow,
Fortune,
talaga
fortune
yung
ka dyan.
plan.
Fortune is nice, but planning is better.
Yes, I second.
So, hindi ka naniniwala sa destiny?
Naniniwala naman ako, pero mas gusto ko na I'm in control.
Tama.
Diba?
Guys?
Lalo na...
I have news.
Yeah.
Work just sent out an email announcement today and it's official. I'm promoted!
You promoted?
Yeah, congrats, dude, that's huge! Thanks, guys!
Ang galing mo.
The thing is, it's in Cebu.
Oh, so you have to move?
Pretty much. The firm is expanding and they think Cebu is a good place to grow in, so ayun.
That's amazing. Pero ang layo nun, ha?
Hindi ka na makaka-hangout dito.
Yeah, now medyo I'm torn eh. You know, I'm happy. Pero parang ang daming iwan.
Well, sounds like we need another sign from the universe.
Yeah. A fun one. Hello, and welcome to... Let's help Chris figure out his next big career move. Here to help their confused friend, please welcome Tess and Thea. All right, Chris, the rules of the game are simple.
Sorry.
Chris naman, mamaya na yan.
Let's begin. Yes or no? Question number 1. This is a big step for Chris. Should Chris also celebrate big now?
It's a no for me. Saka na yan. Plan first, then reward later.
Ay, ako yes. Go, Chris. Deserve mo yan, no? Kaya treat yourself na.
I'll go with Tess, because I'm planning on treating my mom to dinner tonight after telling her the big news.
Oh, that's so sweet. Have fun tonight. Question number 2. Sabi nga nila, there's no place like home. Should Chris look to invest in a new place to live when he moved?
It's a yes for me. Siyempre, boss ka na, so start acting like one.
Siguro no muna. Pag-isipan mo muna ng mabuti kasi buying or renting a place is a big move eh.
Well, I would love to move into my own home someday, but I'll think about it soon.
Ayan. Question number 3. This is a big move for Chris. Should Chris also make money moves by switching to a bigger savings account?
Yes na yes for me. Save mo na yan. Build your safety net first.
Yes! Kasi extra income means extra love for family. You can now give more.
Pwede naman both, di ba? I mean, you can save for the future, pero siyempre, di ko kakalimutan si mom.
Oh, balanced king, responsible and loving. Aww. And now, for your final question. Should Chris go all in with his new promotion and make the move to Cebu?
Ako, go for it. Opportunities like this don't come twice, ha?
Chris, it's a no for me. It's going to be a big move, ha? At maraming changes. Sige, mamimiss mo kami.
Hala, oo nga, no? Plus, no more coffee time with us. Sepangs is real.
Oo nga, Chris. Chris?
Hello.
Sorry. Excuse me ako.
Napapaisip ka na,
Oo
no?
nga.
Honestly, I mean, it's scary. I worked hard for this eh. I mean, don't get me wrong ha. I'm very happy. Pero there's so many things to consider. My mom, you guys, pretty much everything. And napapaisip ako na, should I even consider this opportunity or stay lang muna sa comfort zone ko?
You know what, bro? It's really up to you. But just know that we're so happy for you. And we want what's best for you.
Yeah, sobrang deserve mo talaga yan. And I'm sure your dad will be so proud of you.
Tsaka, don't worry about us na.
Oo nga.
Kung ano man maging desisyon mo.
Yeah.
Support kami sa'yo.
I think I should ask you guys, what do you guys think? Should I take the leap? Or, ano, usap tayo.
Uy, saan tayo Cebu?
Thanks, Rock, for the comments. Oo naman, Sister Rakas. Pag-iisipan ko pa siya, siyempre. Grabe ka naman, Slay Queen. Pinapalis mo na ako. Joke lang. Medyo, first time ko din eh. Uy, thank you ha. I love your name po. Kasi dreams do come true.
FYP for your plot twists in life, for your lost and found dreams and the shifting tides. FYP for your people.